Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. We have seen incredible progress in fields like artificial intelligence. This has led to the development of sophisticated tools and platforms. These have significantly impacted various sectors, including the world of programming. Programming, once considered a domain exclusive to humans, is now being transformed by AI. AI-powered tools are emerging, capable of generating code, suggesting optimizations, and even fixing bugs. This is revolutionizing the way software is developed and is opening up new possibilities for the future of programming. The integration of AI into programming is not merely about automation, it is about augmenting human capabilities. By handling repetitive tasks and providing intelligent insights, AI empowers programmers to focus on higher-level aspects of software development. This includes tasks such as problem-solving, designing complex architectures, and ensuring user experience. This essay will delve into the various ways AI is transforming programming, exploring its potential to both revolutionize the field and empower programmers. We will examine AI tools that generate code, suggest optimizations, and fix bugs. We will also discuss how AI-driven testing tools boost software reliability. Finally, we will consider the role of low-code and no-code platforms in democratizing software development. One of the most remarkable capabilities of AI in programming is its ability to generate code. AI-powered tools trained on vast datasets of code can now generate code snippets, functions, and even entire programs. This can significantly speed up the development process, allowing programmers to focus on more complex tasks. Imagine a scenario where a programmer needs to write a function to sort a list of numbers. Instead of spending time writing the code from scratch, they can simply describe the desired functionality to an AI tool. The tool, leveraging its knowledge of algorithms and programming languages, can then generate the code automatically. Furthermore, AI can help optimize existing code. By analyzing code for efficiency and performance bottlenecks, AI tools can suggest improvements that enhance the speed and scalability of software applications. This can be incredibly valuable, especially for large and complex code bases where manual optimization can be time-consuming and error-prone. Debugging is an integral part of the software development process. Identifying and fixing bugs can be a tedious task. However, AI is proving to be a game-changer in this area. AI-powered debugging tools can analyze code, detect anomalies, and even suggest potential fixes. These tools leverage machine learning algorithms to learn from past bug fixes and identify patterns in code that may indicate potential issues. This allows them to become more accurate and efficient over time, providing programmers with increasingly valuable insights and assistance. The ability of AI to learn from data is particularly significant. As AI tools are exposed to more code bases and bug fixes, they continuously improve their ability to identify and resolve issues. This iterative learning process makes AI an invaluable asset in the ongoing quest for software quality and reliability. The advancements in AI have sparked discussions about the future of programming and the role of human programmers. Some speculate that AI will eventually replace human programmers altogether. However, a more likely scenario is one of collaboration and augmentation. AI is unlikely to replace the need for human creativity, problem-solving skills, and domain expertise in programming. Instead, it will free programmers from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-level aspects of software development. The future of programming lies in harnessing the power of AI to enhance human capabilities. By embracing AI as a powerful tool, programmers can unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and innovation. The future is bright for those who embrace the potential of AI to revolutionize the way we build software. What are your thoughts on the role of AI in programming? Share your opinions in the comments below.